Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available, Clone Components, CADENASLibraries. myCADtools gives you access to CADENAS, the most comprehensive library of standard manufactured components. Over 800 certified manufacturers' catalogues are available to you. Access to the CADENAS library is integrated into the Clone Components tool. Obviously, you need to be connected to the internet to be able to use this function. When you click on the CADENAS option, Clone Components loads the navigation tree into the catalogue. I can find the Festo catalogue, then I browse through the subcategories until I find the component I'm looking for. Once I have it selected, I can add it to my assembly simply by dragging and dropping. A configuration interface then enables me to view the detailed plans for my component. To manipulate the 3D component, and to select the desired configuration. For some components, it is also possible to configure options or dimensions. If the component has never been created in my local library, Clone Components opens a second SOLIDWORKS session to create the assembly and parts before inserting it into my assembly. If the component has already been created in my local library, an overview is given immediately. And if it is a configuration that I have already downloaded, SOLIDWORKS does not need to rebuild the component again. It is also possible to perform searches in the CADENAS catalogue. I list all the components that contain the text caster in their description. I add the desired components to my assembly. The Options menu in Clone Components enables you to define the location of your local library. If you'd like to know what other tools are available, please watch our other videos or use the local help.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.